Well, the box has come. This is it. And that's the camera. Still there. So we have a camera, it seems. There's stuff here. $720p. Not exactly murder, but I know it's not 1080, but still. It's doable, isn't it? Let's have a look inside here and be able to see the obligatory pamphlet. User's guide. The lead of some sort. And said device. Which feels very light indeed. Very, very light indeed. There you have it. $720p is better than nothing. Oh, there's a nice little. Right. Goody goody. Well, have to order that book again. We'll have to get to grips with this and have a look and see what it does. So, I shall be doing that today. Besides going out and doing some stuff. Seems pretty good though. Very light. Much lighter than I thought it would be. But that's good. Okay. Check it out. I shall be doing a video of that today. I shall be making some kebab chicken. Okie dokie. Smell you later.